Hi everyone, I'm Tejeshwar and I'm at the International Skin and Anti-Aging Center here in Chhatarpur. We're going to talk to Dr. Geetika about the PRP treatment and ask her a few questions. Let's go. Hi Dr. Geetika, thank you so much for being a part of this video. Why don't you tell us a little about ISAC?
Sure. So ISAC is International Skin and Anti-Aging Center. Yes, of course, I'm the founder and the medical director. We founded ISAC 5 years ago.
Okay.
Chhatarpur is the flagship center, and apart from Chhatarpur, we have about 5 locations. We are in Gurgaon, Vasant Kunj, Shanti Niketan, Defense Colony, Friends Colony, Mayur Vihar.
What is the PRP treatment and how effective is it?
So PRP stands for Platelet-Rich Plasma, and as we understand, blood has 2 components. There are RBCs and then there are WBCs, or the plasma which has WBCs and platelets. So that plasma is very rich in growth factors, and those growth factors can trigger growth. So growth in the sense when it is micro-injected into the scalp, it can arrest hair fall and trigger new hair growth. And for the face, it can make your skin look more supple, more youthful, and it can help regenerate those skin cells.
Okay.
So that's platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, or golden plasma.
Okay. How safe is it to take the PRP treatment, and does it cause any pain?
So PRP treatments are quite safe, and we have been doing PRP treatments at our center for almost 5 years now.
Okay.
And pain, I would say pain threshold is very individual. And we do apply a numbing cream before the treatment, as it involves micro injections.
Why should one choose ISAC for PRP hair treatment?
And most of all, I would say you are the best judge. You have come to us for PRP and you have
Yes,
had this
I have.
treatment before. So we would take liberty in saying we have introduced the best technology.
Are there any contraindications to the PRP treatment?
So PRP treatment is pretty safe, and after the initial assessment, we actually get to know that what is the patient profile and what is the medical history.
Thank you so much, Dr. Geetika, for being a part of this.
Thank you, Tejeshwar. Thanks for having that faith in us and trying out this treatment at
problem.
ISAC. Thank you.
I hope this video gives you an insight about ISAC and the PRP treatment. For more information, head over to blueberryblackout.com.